Hey guys, this is the Beretta APX CO2 airgun by Umarex, and this video is about the issue that I'm having with it after having owned the item for 8 days. So, let me get that CO2 first. There you go. As you can see, it's loaded with CO2 cartridge, and right now it's on fire. A normal operation, once you have this setting, when you press the trigger, it should fire. Right now nothing's happening. It's not firing any BBs. It's not shooting out any CO2. Try the other setting. Normally that's the safe. Nothing's happening either. And so that's a big problem. I've only ran through about 10 magazines worth until it started breaking. And really, this is heading back to Amazon. Hopefully they take it back. Over and out.